Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 2. I am going into work this morning, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to vlog during my day, but when I get back home I can update you guys. And I think I'm going to dinner tonight with the girls, which I'm so excited about. I think we're gonna try to go to Dante's, which is like a great Italian place here in the city, and I've never been to before, and like Italian food is my kryptonite. I literally love it so much. Just making myself a cup of tea. Going into day 2 of my little tea advent calendar that Jack got me with a gingerbread treat. Oh, should be good. Oh, it smells good. Okay, this is the fit today. Very similar to yesterday. I just threw on this cashmere cardigan, trying to be really cozy. Don't pay attention to that box. It's our Christmas tree box, and I have no idea where to put it yet. I'm also running a little late. It's literally so cold out today, so we like really need to bundle up. Okay, off to work.
3 hours later.
Just got back from work that I had to do this morning, and it's 1:15 and I'm starving. I literally haven't eaten. So I think I'm gonna make my mom's orzo salad recipe. It's literally my favorite. It's so good. All you need obviously is orzo, lemons, olive oil, some feta cheese, a pepper, and olives. You honestly can do like any vegetable you want. That's just my personal favorite. And it really is so easy to make. All you have to do is cook the pasta, chop up all the veggies that you want, and the feta cheese. Do a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice to make like your sauce. A little salt, a little pepper, and it's like so good. It's my favorite lunch, and Jack loves it, so I make it quite often. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna start cutting up everything, and then honestly have some like cheese and crackers because your girl is hungry. Just had to go downstairs to pick up a package from my package room, and it's a delivery from We Were What. I have an event with them next week, like a holiday party that I'm so excited about, and they sent over something for me to wear. It's from their new holiday collection, which is so good. I'm like literally so excited. Okay, let me stand up and show you. So it's like this cute little halter dress that has these feathers on the bottom, and then these are all like rhinestones, super holiday, with an open back. Oh my god, you guys will see me wear this, and like you'll come to the event with me in the next couple of vlogs. It's on Monday. I'm currently heading out to dinner with the girls, and my hair is like a little greasy, so we're gonna quickly do a slicked back bun. We're gonna try to go to this Italian restaurant. I think I was telling you guys this morning, but we're trying to go to like this Italian restaurant called Dante. It's really popular in the city. I don't know if I want to do like a high bun or just like a low. Normally only do high, so maybe we'll do low today. Hopefully I don't look like, I don't know, ugly. Also, if I do a low bun, it'll like hold all of my hair, which is nice. And the tricky part is also the bangs. Like, I'm not really sure how to keep the bangs down without like clipping them. I also have no idea what I'm gonna wear tonight. Usually when I don't know what to wear, I end up wearing like all black. Oh, see, that's what keeps happening. That's not bad, right? Now we'll just do a little bit of gel. Okay, that's fine, right? I don't freaking know. Okay, here is a little fit check for dinner. Just black Abercrombie pants with a black long sleeve trench, and then I think I'm gonna do these black boots, even though you really won't be able to see them, just because they're like shorter than my other black boots that I have, so they'll definitely be more comfortable to walk in. I need to get the shorter version of these. Okay, cute, let's go.